Hi, I'm Nandini Nair, and this is the world of my books and stories. This is where we talk about books for children, storytelling sessions for children, and where we discuss tips and ideas on how to raise readers in your house. And this is the segment that I call reading, writing, and everything else in between. Now, as a writer, one of the questions that I'm often asked is, why should children read? Of course, my instant reaction is to ask, why should they not? But I realize that this is a question that several parents and many educators do wonder about. So here they are, my top 5 reasons why every child should read. So the first reason why I think children should read is, every single book that you read is a doorway into a different world. So every time a child reads a book, they enter into a completely different world and they come away richer for all the knowledge and information that they have gained from, visiting this little world for a little while. So the first reason that I would say why every child should read is, reading does increase their information about the world around them. Now here's my second reason why children should read. See, when you look at a book, what is a book? A book is made up of, groups of words which have been strung together to make a sentence, groups of sentences which have been put together into a paragraph, and groups of paragraphs on a page, and finally, all of these pages bound together into a book. But when a child reads these printed words, what it does is to create pictures in their mind of the worlds and the people described in those words. Now suppose there was a book about monsters and you gave it to 2 different children to read. The monsters that both the children imagined would be very, very, very different from each other, because this is where the imagination of the child comes into work. Like one monster might have like 1,000,000 eyes on it, another might have like lots of tails sticking on it. So reading develops the imagination of a child, and that's why every child should read. Now here's my third reason why children should read. Reading helps to improve the vocabulary and the grasp of any language. Think of it, any book that a child reads is bound to have words that are new and are going to encourage the child to find out the meaning and to apply them the next time they speak. Similarly, the sentence structures too are going to be complex and are going to encourage the child to try and understand, what these mean. So yes, reading does help to improve the vocabulary and the grasp of the language, and that's my reason 3 for why every child should read. And the fourth reason why I think every child should read is, reading sparks the creativity of the child. If you look at children who read, you will find that a large percentage of them are encouraged and inspired at some point or other to put down their thoughts and emotions in the form of either little poems or small stories. And that can't be bad, can it? If reading is the one activity that encourages your child to express himself or herself, then it's the best thing possible. So the fourth reason why children should read is because it sparks their creativity. And finally, here's my fifth reason for why children should read. Now, when a child reads a book, for a very small period of time, for the duration of the book, it is as if they are living in the reality of the book. This is the reason why children enjoy books about magic and fantasy, because they lose themselves completely in this and imagine that they have actually moved into this, very magical kingdom. So imagine a child who has grown up in a completely urban atmosphere. If this child were to read a book about a family in a tiny village in India, the child is going to come away with having learnt a lot about how life is in the village, but the child is also going to come away with a very, very close understanding and sympathy for these people and the hardships that they suffer. So basically, reading helps a child, walk in the shoes of other people. So a child can, a child who reads can experience what it is like to grow up in a village in India, or to go into space, or to be a sailor on the sea, and understand not just the pleasures of these lives but also the challenges. And a child who grows up with such a close and intimate understanding of how other people live is going to grow up into a kind and generous person, and also a person who has a lot of empathy and understanding for what other people go through. And I think that would be a wonderful way, to raise a child. So these are my top 5 reasons why a child should read, and of course, the reason that I haven't even listed, that every child should read, simply because reading is so much fun. So do let me know what you thought of my arguments for why every child should read. And if you have something else that you would like to add, do leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And do please start your child on reading a book. If you want suggestions on what kind of books a child should read, do let me know in the comment section. So I'll do a video on that the next time. So till the next time, keep reading, keep smiling, and do like and subscribe to my channel so you will stay updated on all the topics that we are going to talk about. Bye-bye, and thank you for watching.